Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be on how to perfectly make gathers. This is the fabric I'm going to be using to show you guys how to make gathers. And now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this fabric to my sewing machine and I'm going to make two loose lines on it. I mean loose stitches. That's what I'm going to be using to sew two loose lines on it. Then after doing that, we'll carry on from there. So guys, this is what I have after sewing the stitches. You can see the two loose stitches I made on the fabric. You can see them, and I have excess threads here and I have excess threads on this other side, and this is the threads I'm going to be pulling in order to create the gather effect. Guys, I'm going to start pulling from this side. When pulling the threads, guys, try to be very careful not to pop one of the threads, because a situation whereby that happens, you will have no choice but to start the whole process from the beginning, and it can be very frustrating. So you try as much as possible to be careful not to let that happen. It is important to make gathers using two threads. Why? Because two threads are harder than one thread. A situation whereby you are pulling one thread in making gathers, it is very easy for it to pop, but when you're pulling two threads, it is kind of harder in a way. So that's why it is advisable that whenever you're making gathers, just use two threads in gathering your fabric. As you can see, guys, I'm done doing this side, so I'm just going to move to the other side and just keep pulling and pulling till I'm done doing. You can see what I have now. I'm done pulling the threads. It came out so nice. So this is how to make gathers for your dresses. If you like this video, don't hesitate to give us thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please endeavor to hit the subscribe button. We've come to the end of this tutorial video. Thank you guys for watching. See you later.